In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Salesforce app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, by stopping the unwanted notifications on your app, you'll be able to get a peace of mind and also organize your app in a manner that you so wish. To do so, it is quite simple. All you need is to access the app information page. And for this, just go to settings. And from settings, look for the option called apps. And here it is, and then tap on it. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone, that is a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From manage apps, go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you see your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app under these search apps. So I'll go ahead and tap on my app. And now you see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. Now, if getting to this app information page is quite tedious for you or it is complex, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. For this, just go back and then go look for your app. But this time around, instead of typing on it, just go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. From here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. Currently, as you can see, the notifications are turned to yes. If I tap on it, from here, we can toggle off these notifications to turn them off one by one. However, the best method is to turn all of them at once, and we can do this by toggling these show notifications off. And as you can see, they are now off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications from Salesforce app. So that's how you do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.